Welcome to the world of exclusive credit cards, where plastic becomes a passport to unimaginable luxury. These aren't just financial tools, they're status symbols. Keys to experiences most can only dream of. From solid gold to diamond encrusted, these cards are the most valuable in the world. Buckle up as we explore the 10 rarest credit cards you probably can't get. Number 10. Citi Ultima Card. Welcome to the pinnacle of plastic prestige, the Citi Ultima Card. This isn't just a credit card, it's a golden ticket to a world of luxury. Reserved for the creme de la creme, this invitation-only card demands an annual income of at least 50,000 Singapore dollars or 380,000 American dollars. But let's be real, if you're sweating the eye-watering $3,000 annual fee, this card isn't for you. What do you get for that princely sum? For starters, a whopping 150,000 miles annually just for keeping the card in your wallet. That's before you even start spending. Speaking of spending, the Ultima doesn't mess around. Earn 1.6 miles per dollar locally and 2 miles per dollar overseas. Your points never expire, and you've got 11 different transfer partners to play with. But wait, there's more. How about a one-for-one hotel night benefit? Book a night, get another free. Jetting off, enjoy a companion airfare program on select airlines, and up to 3 unlimited visit priority pass cards for airport lounge access. The perks keep coming. Complimentary airport limo transfers with a first or business class ticket purchase, fast-track immigration where available, and even reimbursement for your APEC business travel card application. Is it excessive? Absolutely. But for those who live life in the fast lane, the Citi Ultima isn't just a card, it's a lifestyle. Number 9. HSBC Premier World Elite Mastercard. Fancy a taste of the high life? Meet the HSBC Premier World Elite Mastercard. Here's the deal. Spend $2 grand in your first 90 days and boom, 40,000 rewards points are yours. Not bad, right? But hang on, it gets better. Hit 12,000 British pounds sterling in your first year and they'll throw another 40,000 points your way. That's some serious point stacking potential, folks. Now, let's talk everyday spending. Every pound gets you 2 points in sterling. Take your card abroad, you're in for a treat. We're talking 4 points per pound spent in foreign currency. Ka-ching! But wait, there's more. This little beauty gets you into over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. Just flash that tiny MasterCard and you're in. Say goodbye to those crowded terminals and hello to pre-flight cocktails. Need to spread the love? You can add up to 3 additional card holders. Perfect for that spouse who's always borrowing your card anyway. Number 8. Merrill Lynch Octave Black Card. As we climb higher into the realm of elite credit cards, we encounter the Merrill Lynch Octave Black Card. In the world of high finance, some cards speak louder than others. This one, it roars. The card itself, a work of art, crafted from black anodized titanium. It's as much a statement piece as it is a financial tool. Forget applying, this is invitation-only territory, reserved for the most exclusive of Merrill Lynch's high net worth clients. Your wealth management needs better be as complex as they are substantial. We're talking a minimum of $10 million in assets under management. Casual. Let's talk limits, or rather, the lack thereof. The Octave Black boasts credit limits that would make most cards blush. While the exact numbers are hush-hush, industry insiders whisper of limits stretching into 8 figures. We're talking purchasing power that could finance small nations. The annual fee? A cool $950, but that's just the beginning. Travel perks? How about unlimited access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through Priority Pass? But Merrill Lynch doesn't stop there. Cardholders also get $350 in annual airline incidental credits, first class, all the way. And that's not even mentioning the 2.5 Merrill Lynch reward points for every purchase. Number 7. Sberbank Visa Infinite Gold Card. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, enter the Sberbank Visa Infinite Gold Card. This isn't just another elite credit card, it's a category unto itself. We're talking 26 grams of solid gold. Yes, you heard that right. Pure, unadulterated gold. But wait, there's more. As if that wasn't enough, it's studded with 26 diamonds. Not just any diamonds, high-quality gems totaling 0.17 carats. The price tag for this piece of financial jewelry? A cool $100,000. That's not the credit limit. That's the cost of the card itself. Speaking of limits, this card laughs at the very notion. 8-figure purchases? Just another day for Sberbank Visa Infinite Gold Card holders. The rewards? A breathtaking $250,000 of health and life insurance coverage, 24/7 concierge, and your own personal manager at Sberbank. Not bad, right? Number 6, Bank of Dubai First Royale Card. As we ascend further into the world of elite credit cards, we encounter the Bank of Dubai First Royale Card. In Dubai, where opulence is the norm and luxury knows no bounds, this card still manages to stand out. Let's start with the obvious. The card itself is a work of art, adorned with a dazzling 0.235 carat diamond centerpiece. It's jewelry that happens to buy things. Each one is crafted individually from black carbon and trimmed with gold, as unique as its ultra-high net worth owner. Spending limits? Please, this card scoffs at the notion. While the exact numbers are kept under wraps, industry insiders speak of limits that stretch into 9 figures. It's for people who might wake up and decide to buy a yacht over breakfast, or a small island. You know, casual stuff. The annual fee? If you have to ask, you can't afford it. And if you want one, you're going to have to ask. A small joining fee with a personalized annual fee that assigns a dedicated relationship manager to the client. But what makes this card so special? Well, it's not the points, it's not cashback, and it's definitely not the airport lounge perks either. It's the elite status that comes with it. To get this card, you must be a resident of the UAE, and it is really only available for royal family members. The specialty of this card is the unique nature of the card itself and the service that is accompanied. As CEO of Dubai First said, "You ask for the moon, we try to get it." Number 5, Coutts World Silk Card. As we breach the top 5, we enter the realm of old money and refined taste. Welcome to the world of Coutts and their World Silk Card, the bank of the British royal family. If it's good enough for the King of England, well, you get the picture. The Coutts World Silk Card isn't just exclusive, it's heritage in your wallet. The card itself, a masterpiece of elegance, crafted from a blend of metals. Its distinctive, silk-like finish is as smooth to the touch as it is to the eye. You can't simply walk into a branch and apply. This card is for Coutts private banking clients only. We're talking wealth measured in generations, not years. The entry point? A cool £1 million in investable assets. That's just to get your foot in the door. Credit limits are tailored to each client's needs and assets. But let's just say that if you're carrying this card, you're not sweating over limits. 6-figure purchases are routine. 7-figure ones, not unheard of. But here's where it gets interesting. These points can be redeemed for experiences you simply can't buy. Private dinners with royalty, exclusive access to sold-out events, and fine dining experiences. It's not about the value, it's about the exclusivity. Travel benefits, unlimited access to over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide through Lounge Key is just the start. Coutts card holders also get fast-track security at select airports, complimentary hotel nights at some of the world's most exclusive properties, and a travel concierge service that can make the impossible possible. Number 4, Stratus Rewards Visa, the white card. As we edge closer to the pinnacle of credit card exclusivity, we encounter a true rarity, the Stratus Rewards Visa, known simply as the white card. In a sea of black cards, white stands out, its understated elegance with a punch. Forget applying, this card chooses you. It's by invitation only or through a referral from someone already in the club. Let's talk rewards. The Stratus Rewards program is unlike any other. Every dollar spent earns you points, but these aren't your average points. We're talking about unlocking experiences that would make even James Bond jealous. Private jet flights? Check. Yacht charters? You bet. 5-star hotels where the staff knows your name before you even check in? Absolutely. But it's not just about luxury travel. The White Card opens doors to experiences money can't buy. We're talking about exclusive access to red carpet film premieres, VIP sporting events, and private fashion shows. It's not about being there, it's about being there before anyone else even knows there exists. Need something arranged? No problem. Your personal concierge is available 24/7. Dinner reservations at that impossible-to-book restaurant? Done. Last-minute travel plans? Consider it handled. They're like a genie in your pocket, minus the 3-wish limit. Feeling charitable? The White Card's got you covered there too. Turn your points into donations for various organizations. It's like being a philanthropist, but with someone else's money. Win-win. Number 3. Santander Black Brazilian Mastercard. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, along comes the Santander Black Brazilian Mastercard. This isn't just exclusive, it's practically mythical. Unless you're one of Brazil's 3,000 wealthiest individuals, you've got a better chance of finding a unicorn in your backyard. In a country of over 200 million people, only about 0.0015% even have a shot at this card. So what perks do these financial demigods enjoy? For starters, there's airport lounge access via lounge key, because nothing says I've made it quite like sipping champagne while the masses fight over power outlets. Need something arranged? It's like having a personal assistant minus the awkward Christmas party interactions. There's also a $100 annual airline credit. It's cute, really, like giving a Rolex to someone who owns a small country. Now let's talk cashback. 1.5% on regular purchases, bumped up to 2% for travel. It's almost adorable how they're trying to appeal to the budget-conscious side of people who could probably have their own islands. But here's the kicker. The annual fee is a mere $350. That's right. For the price of a moderately fancy dinner, you too can... Oh wait, no you can't. Just remember, if you have to ask how to get one, you can't afford it. Actually, scratch that. If you have to ask, Santander probably doesn't even know you exist. This card isn't about what it can do for you, it's about what it says about you. And what it says is, I'm so rich, I make rich people feel poor. Number 2, JP Morgan Reserve Card. As we approach the summit of credit card exclusivity, we encounter a true titan of the financial world, the JP Morgan Reserve Card. Banking giants mean business. JP Morgan? They've outdone themselves. This isn't just exclusive. It's on another level entirely. Think you can apply? Think again. This beauty is for JP Morgan private bank clients only. The heavyweights of the financial world. We're talking a minimum of $10 million in assets with the bank. It's a work of art, literally, crafted from palladium and 23-karat gold. It's as much a statement piece as it is a financial tool. At 27 grams, its weight alone sets it apart. Run your fingers over the intricate etching, and you can literally feel the power it represents. The annual fee? $595. But if you're carrying this card, that's practically a rounding error. As for the credit limit, let's just say it's enough to make small countries jealous. 7-figure purchases? Just another Tuesday. Now let's talk rewards. Earn 3 times the points on travel and dining, and single points on everything else. Sounds standard? Think again. These points, when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards, are worth 1.5 cents each. But transfer them to one of Chase's premium travel partners, and their value can skyrocket to 2 cents or more. We're talking about a potential 6% return on travel and dining spending. Travel perks? Buckle up. You're getting $300 in annual travel credits, global entry TSA pre-check fee credit, and access to over 1,200 airport lounges worldwide through Priority Pass. But that's just the beginning. The real magic happens with the Luxury Hotel and Resort Collection. We're talking about room upgrades, free breakfast, late checkout, and unique property amenities at some of the world's most exclusive hotels. But here's where the JP Morgan Reserve truly shines. It's concierge service. This isn't your run-of-the-mill concierge. These are financial wizards and lifestyle gurus rolled into one. Need advice on hedging currency risk for your next mega yacht purchase? They've got you. Number 1. American Express Centurion Card. The Black Card. We've reached the summit. The American Express Centurion Card, aka the Black Card. It's not just plastic, it's a legend. Milled from anodized titanium, this 19-gram marvel whispers power. Invitation only. Amex seeks multi-millionaire annual spenders. Got the cash? You might get the nod. The numbers? Jaw-dropping. $10,000 initiation fee, $5,000 annual fee. No preset spending limit. The rewards are stellar too. Single points on regular purchases, 5 times the points on airfare, 10 times the points at select international shops and restaurants. Each point can be worth up to 2 cents when transferred strategically. Travel perks? Ridiculous. $200 Uber credits, $200 airline fee credit, access to over 1,400 plus airline lounges globally, automatic elite status with Hilton, Marriott, IHG, and Delta. Book through fine hotels and resorts for noon check-in, upgrades, and more. The concierge service? Legendary. Private island bookings, sold-out shows, closed museums for private viewings, all possible. But the real value? The doors it opens. Flash this card and the world bows. It's not about what it buys, it's about what it represents. Unparalleled success, unmatched prestige, a lifestyle beyond imagination. There you have it. Most exclusive credit cards you probably can't get. These aren't just about spending, they're about living a life of unparalleled luxury. Remember, if you have to ask how to get one, you probably can't. But hey, a little aspiration never hurt anyone. Dream big, spend wisely.